Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully, back with another video. We are doing the analysis for April 12th here, going into Tuesday. I want to say shout out to everybody who watched the last analysis. I will keep doing those. I did get some good feedback, so I appreciate it. And plus you guys get to see the market, how I'm seeing it, and just watch me break it down, you know. So I kind of like doing these better than the text markups, because I feel like you guys will take in the information better, you know, than just reading it. You get to see what I'm looking at, the actual chart, and then, you know, you can kind of grasp it better. So I think a lot of people will prefer the video, so I'm more likely going to keep doing that. I will do text some days, but I'm gonna try to just keep doing the videos as well. And plus it's content, so why not? All right, so on Sunday I said I was looking for pretty much for gold to keep continuing down, but I didn't want to take the trade on a Monday just because there was a chance that it would come for this wick right here, which was only at the time like 180 pips away. So it didn't do it. What I said was I wanted to see it take some of the equal lows out of the short-term targets from this bull run. So if we go to the H1, we can see that it did just that. So we took out this wick. Actually, I don't want to put a big line. We took out that wick, took out these lows first, this low, and I wanted to see it finish like in range, like somewhere in here, but this is fine too. So we have another set of targets for tomorrow. So I'm definitely short on gold. Let's just make that clear. So I'm going for here. That's going to be around a 1723 big figure. So I'm looking forward to run these lows. And then after that, I'm actually thinking we could get a zone flip right here off of this. So it may, after it takes out the short-term targets and does what it needs to do, that would fit the market profile. So we could see a nice W right here for like a mid-week reversal. I don't think it's gonna come all the way back down here at all. Worst case scenario, it might run this level, but I don't think it's gonna come all the way down. It can. If it runs this and stays like right here, then I'm gonna be short. But for tomorrow, I'm definitely just looking for it to run here and then get down here somewhere. So that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. As far as the setup, I usually, like I say, you want to look for your stop punch, your W's, your M's. So here we're going shorts. We're looking for a stop hunt high above the Asia box. So I would like it to hold market structure. So I don't want to come above this points. So we bring our fib out, low to high, right? We want to get it, and that's actually kind of perfect. I want to see price kind of start shooting up during like London session and get into the sell zone here. I don't think it's gonna get into the low risk sell zone, but possibly like sell zone area, so 1740-ish, and then I'll be looking for a move all the way down to take out the lows. So that's what I'll be looking for on gold. Let's go to EU. EU is perfect. I was still bullish on EU, like I said, even though we had that one day of like drop. I wasn't too concerned about it. So it did move up kind of aggressive today. We still have these wicks right here from Sunday that we're still gunning for. So I'm still trying to run these equal highs. So I'm still gunning for that. And we go to the H1. A little bit of consolidation. We do have lows right here that it could target. But if it holds, I wanted to see if it holds this low right here, that'd be perfect, and then move up to take out this area of consolidation and wicks right here. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I don't think it's going to drop all the way down here, especially we have a nice order block right here, another one right here. So I really think it's just going to run these lows, possibly at worst case scenario then come up. But for market structure, the lower highs, I wanted to see it hold this right here. So we break it down to the M15. Let's take a fib. And we go here. That's our range for tomorrow. So same thing as gold, just in reverse. We want to see it come down to like a buy zone right here around the 1.8825. It can go low risk buy zone as long as it doesn't break the range low. I'm okay with that. So it's already dropping, so maybe it'll do a nice drop during London. Maybe it'll consolidate, and then New York, because that's what I trade. I trade New York pretty much all the time. I don't really trade London. So New York, maybe we'll get a nice W here, or spike up, breaking structure, something like that. So yeah, I'm definitely long on EU. We still have these highs that we're trying to break over here, so that's our targets for tomorrow. US 30 daily, like I told you guys, there's no ceiling right now, so I don't know how high this is going to go, but the drop is going to be crazy, so do get ready for the drop. But I told you guys, just keep buying. Don't sell until they show us their hand and they're breaking certain levels that kind of confirm the bias of they're probably going down. We're not in the 50-50 business, so don't make a move if you're not sure about it. Just wait. There's always more opportunities around the corner. But what we're doing here is getting prepared. So right here, there's really nothing going on daily. It's been bullish for a long time. So let's see if we can see anything on the H1. Right now we're still bullish. I want to see what this is going to do. So what it could do is we could get a market structure shift, and what that means is that this high doesn't make a lower high anymore, except what it does is it's going to come down, and then we'll start seeing breaks in structure, you know what I'm saying, like that. So I want to see if it holds this high tomorrow. If it comes all the way down to here, breaks this, that's kind of confirmation, but not yet. It has to honestly come all the way down here for me to start thinking about sells again. And then once it does that, we got plenty of targets to the downside that we can gun for sells and make crazy money on this one. So, you know, just wait. The sells are coming, but still, if you're gonna trade this, still look for buys, just because you don't want to get caught trying to look for reversals the whole time and blow your account, especially on US 30. Okay, so M15, our range for tomorrow is pretty small because it's been consolidating, but pretty much here to here is our range. So I'm still looking for buys until further notice. So I still want to come down to a buy zone or a low risk buy zone. If you do, you can get a nice tight stop for a good reward. We would be gunning for this high. So, you know, that's the setup for tomorrow. Look for your W, kind of like this right here. Kind of like how it did today. You want to look for like a W, railroad track, quarter wood, something. You can also find the entries, you know, on lower time frames as well. So, you know, M5, M1, you can find some good entries, especially at the low risk areas. All right. That's going to be it. Short and sweet. Short on gold, long on EU, long on US 30. But I would avoid this one for now, just until we kind of see more confirmation on what they're going to do. There's no ceiling, so if you're going to do anything, buy it. But, you know, if you start seeing red candle after red candle after red candle, I mean, don't get caught in the train. So that's going to be it for this one. Like I told you guys, I am going to be dropping a video. At latest, it's going to be Wednesday. So I'm going to be doing more entry videos. I'm going to show you guys how to break it down on the lower time frames, get that M5 and M1, especially on gold. So I'll be doing that. Like I told you guys before, FX Mindshift, the place where I got my training from, is doing a masterclass. So if you guys are interested and want to get your skills up, it is live instructor taught, so you can go day by day, go back and watch the videos. There's questions, Q&As, all of that to get you up to speed. And if you're looking to get your education up and, you know, learn different techniques, then I would suggest that. The link's going to be in the description as well. But besides that, hope you guys have a good trading day tomorrow. let me know what you think about this breakdown. If there's any additional pairs you guys would want me to look at, I don't want to do too many and get convoluted, but you know, if you have 1 or 2 more pairs you want me to look at and break down for you guys, just let me know. I definitely can do that. But besides that, it's your boy Kyle. I'm out. You guys have a good night. Bye.